What we're going to do now is to consider a different tactic you might employ to try and achieve the objective and then try and get the cap. So, what other tactic might you use in order to get him to leave?
Maybe pause. If I'm pausing in the first bit especially, would make Adrian feel uncomfortable. So at the end he'd want to leave because he's uncomfortable, so I get my cap.
Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do the whole thing again. Don't plan when you're going to use pause. Just feel when it would be the most appropriate.
Yeah.
So what particular phrase or what particular words might make him feel more uncomfortable. Then pause for as long as you like, because you're waiting for him to go, you're waiting for him to leave. So really sort of imagine sort of his discomfort in those moments.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. So do the same thing as we did before. I'll say 3, 2, 1, action, and then you can start.
Okay.
Great, okay. 3, 2, 1, action.
I was 9 years old. At a birthday party, at a friend's house. She had an older sister. I felt butterflies. I didn't know why at first, I just looked at her, this girl. She was wearing a leotard. It was fancy dress. She was a cat. And I just knew that there was something going on and I didn't know what, and then all at once it hit me. And I realized, oh God, I like girls. And I waited for it to go away. I tried really hard to make it go away and it didn't. And even when I was going out with boys, when I went out with Josh, I couldn't say it, but I knew deep down that I like girls. I like girls. I like girls, and I've always liked girls, and I still like girls, so who are you to tell me that I don't? When I've accepted everything that you have said to me. You want to be a man? Fine. You need to change your name? All right then. You want to wear these clothes and lift these weights? Whatever. I've accepted that because it's what you want, what you need, who you are. Fine. And I've tried to change. I've tried so hard to change, but there are just some things that I can't change. Some things that I don't want to change because they're part of who I am. And why is that less important? Why do I just have to stand aside and deny all that because you're going on your own personal journey? I want you to be happy. I want you to get what you want. But what you want is to kill the person that I love and replace her with someone I don't. Someone that I can't. Because I'm gay. You want to be a man, Adrian? You want to be a man? Fine. But I like girls.
That's great. So where did it feel particularly sort of helpful or empowering kind of to use pause? Was there a particular moment?
Yeah, in the first couple of sentences. because that's her immediate reaction to what Adrian's just said. And when she starts to challenge him and say, who are you to tell me that I don't? It felt quite natural to pause there and almost wait as if he's going to respond. And when he doesn't, it felt quite powerful because you know that she's intimidating him.
Great, perfect, thank you.